overnight lip repair balm. And when you look close, lip therapy is there. So here's the difficulty. The original says intense lip repair balm. Here's the new one, which is lip therapy balm. We want this one, but look at the ingredients. Lanolin, water, etc. And this one here, lanolin, water. Then it has something different than over here. This says octyl metho. This says, I think it's ethyl? Come on, get in there, start. But you get the idea. There's something going on here where if anybody can tell me where to get the original qtica intense lip repair balm, that's what I'm looking for, the intense lip repair balm.